Morning dear viewers, James Braithwaite here. How are you doing? Right, you join me as I am hopefully seeing the light. I will explain in a minute. Just want to get this damn thing unscrewed. I've replaced this sort of thing before, but a job's a job for an unofficial mechanic like me. These transit tippers tend to have quite a heavy life and get quite bashed around. So if you see one that's either concourse, well, or one that is actually concourse, it's either brand new or you're on some very heavy hallucinogens. Oh yeah, you're right.
Hi YouTube.
Yeah.
What mechanic here? How you getting on?
Yeah, fine. I'm just unscrewing these and hopefully not screwing the job.
Don't pick that, I shall leave you to it.
Thank you. Our good friend Nathan there is more capable than me, but that's another story. So gun count the lens. See what I mean? Look at the state of it. Smashed to hell. Right. Hopefully they've supplied the right side. Well, paint me green and call me Richard? They have. Look at this. Jeez. Oh, I was not expecting that. And the great thing is, of course, as well, of course, is they've supplied new screws. Nip one in first, and then the rest will follow easily. Just make sure it bites, and you can just slip the other screws in it, and it won't knock the lens out again. Because then you're back to square one, and it would cause a rather nasty amount of irritation. Sorry, I'm kneeling on concrete at the minute, which is rather painful. Okay. This might look a bit odd, actually. Oops. You know, one perfectly new lens and one that's slightly, you know, yellowed. But transit tipper is never really about looks, is it? Crikey. There we go. That's what she looks like now. See what I mean with conversing with the old one. And there's a full of what I was replacing. Oh well, another trophy in the cupboard. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.